Coming up, I will discuss the different AI assistants available today and the top AI tools you need to unlock your potential at work. Let's get started. If you're new here, my name is Matthew Royce. I am a knowledge enthusiast. Artificial intelligence, or AI, has revolutionized how professionals work, learn, and solve problems. 28% of all workers now use generative AI at work. Choosing the right AI assistant is not just about keeping up with the latest developments, it's about unlocking your potential at work. Here's the challenge. Not all AI tools are created equal. Choosing the wrong one can limit your career growth instead of accelerating it. The goal of this video is to help you select the ideal AI assistant for your specific needs at work, enabling you to enhance your AI skills and achieve your career goals. Okay, let's start by first understanding the AI tool landscape. The AI assistant market has undergone rapid evolution. There are 5 major platforms that dominate the professional space: Claude, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Perplexity, and Microsoft Copilot. Each AI tool brings unique strengths to various use cases, ranging from creative writing to research to coding. Research from the Boston Consulting Group indicates that when you use AI effectively, these tools can increase productivity and expand your capabilities. Yet MIT Sloan research reveals a crucial insight. When AI is used outside its optimal boundary, worker performance drops by an average of 19%. This makes choosing the right AI tool for your specific needs critical for your success at work. Let's discuss these AI tools at a high level and what makes them unique. Claude. This AI tool is known for nuanced reasoning and exceptional writing quality. This AI assistant excels at complex analysis and creative tasks. ChatGPT is a versatile AI generalist with strong conversational abilities, creative writing, and a broad knowledge application. It's the most widely adopted AI platform. Google Gemini integrates deeply with Google's ecosystem, offering robust multimodal capabilities and real-time access to information. Perplexity is an AI research specialist that combines AI with real-time web search, providing cited, up-to-date information. Microsoft Copilot is a productivity-focused integration across the Microsoft Office suite. This AI tool is ideal for business workflows and document creation. So let's compare their core capabilities to gain a better understanding of them. Number 1, conversation quality. Claude stands out for its nuanced understanding of context. It excels at maintaining coherent conversations over extended exchanges. This AI tool demonstrates strong emotional intelligence in its responses. It can handle complex, multi-layered questions. ChatGPT offers the most human-like conversational experience. It demonstrates excellent personality consistency. Additionally, it can adapt its communication style to your needs. It's particularly effective for brainstorming sessions and creative collaboration. Google Gemini offers strong conversational abilities, complemented by the added advantage of accessing real-time information through Google Search integration. This makes it excellent for discussions that need current data or trending topics. Perplexity focused less on conversation and more on providing precise, well-researched responses. Its strength lies in synthesizing information from multiple sources. Microsoft Copilot's conversation quality varies depending on the platform. For example, Bing Chat versus Microsoft Office integration. Overall, it provides concise, business-focused responses. Number 2, writing and content creation. Research indicates that AI writing assistants can reduce the time required by creating a first draft by up to 80%. Nevertheless, the quality varies significantly between AI platforms. Claude excels at sophisticated writing tasks, including academic papers, analytical reports, and creative writing. It demonstrates a strong understanding of tone, style, and audience. This AI tool is ideal for communications and thought leadership content. ChatGPT offers versatile writing support across formats, from casual emails to formal proposals. It's really strong at adapting writing styles and generating creative content like stories, poems, and marketing copy. Google Gemini provides reliable writing assistance, incorporating current information and data to add value. It's effective for creating content that requires recent facts or stats. Perplexity specializes in research-backed writing, automatically including citation and sources. This makes it invaluable for content that requires credibility and fact-checking. Microsoft Copilot integrates directly into Microsoft Office applications. It offers contextual writing assistance within your existing workflows. It's effective for creating business documents, designing presentations, and writing business emails. Number 3, research and information analysis. The ability to process, analyze, and synthesize information is crucial for professional success. Studies show that nearly 8 in 10 AI users are introducing tools at work primarily for information processing tasks. Perplexity leads in research capabilities, combining AI analysis with real-time web search and providing citing sources for all claims. It's really valuable for staying current with industry trends and conducting preliminary research. Google Gemini provides robust research through Google integration, access to vast databases, and the delivery of up-to-date information. It's particularly effective for factual queries and data-driven research. Claude excels at analyzing complex information. This AI tool is skilled at synthesizing data. This AI tool makes connections between concepts and provides thoughtful analysis of research materials you offer. ChatGPT offers comprehensive knowledge analysis. It's strong at explaining complex concepts and helping organize research findings. Microsoft Copilot offers research integration with Microsoft applications, helping you find and incorporate information directly into your documents and presentations. Number 4, creative problem solving and innovation. AI assistants can significantly enhance creative problem solving. This occurs when AI tools are utilized in the right use cases. Claude can give unexpected insights to complex problems that is valuable for strategic thinking. ChatGPT excels at ideation and brainstorming. Google Gemini integrates current trends and data into creative processes. Perplexity supports evidence-based creativity by providing research backing for your ideas. Microsoft Copilot focuses on practical problem solving and integrates well with existing tools. Number 5, technical capabilities and integrations. For ambitious professionals working with technical content or requiring specific integrations, platform capabilities vary significantly. ChatGPT provides coding assistance, writing support, and technical knowledge. Microsoft Copilot offers comprehensive integration with the Microsoft ecosystem. Claude excels in technical content and analyzing code. Google Gemini offers Google ecosystem integration. Perplexity excels in technical research, incorporating proper citations. Before diving deeper into specific recommendations, I encourage you to take the AI skills quiz. I will put the link in the description below. The quiz will help you discover your current AI superpower score, find areas for growth, and get personalized insight. Okay, now let's talk about some ideal use cases for each of these 5 AI tools. So what AI tool is best? Is it Claude, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Perplexity, or Microsoft Copilot? Claude, the analytical powerhouse. Claude is best for complex analytical writing and reports, nuanced problem solving, ethical and safety sensitive content. ChatGPT, the versatile collaborator. ChatGPT is best for creative writing and content generation, brainstorming and idea sessions, general productivity and task assistance. Google Gemini, the connected intelligence. Google Gemini is best for research requiring current information, Google ecosystem integration projects. Perplexity, the research specialist. Perplexity is best for academic and professional research, fact-checking, and verification. Current events and trend analysis, citation require content creation, and exploratory research and discovery. Microsoft Copilot, the productivity enhancer. Microsoft Copilot is best for Microsoft Office integration, business document creation, and editing. It's good for email management and composition. It's good for presentation development and enterprise and team collaboration. Let's quickly talk about the return on investment. It's important to understand the value proposition of each AI platform and how it can enhance your AI investment strategy. It will help you understand if you're getting return on investment or ROI from these AI tools. Most AI platforms offer both free and premium options. Free tiers typically offer basic AI model access with usage limitations, essential features for learning and light professional use, and an opportunity to evaluate platform fit before committing to it. Premium tiers generally include access to the most advanced AI models, higher usage limits or unlimited access, and priority processing and response times. Microsoft research shows that generative AI tools can increase productivity by 15% among knowledge workers. For most ambitious professionals, this productivity gain significantly outweighs the monthly investment in premium AI tools. Decide what work AI will help you accelerate or improve. Multiply your hourly professional value by the time saved. Compare the monthly platform costs. Start with the free tiers, find high value use cases, then upgrade strategically to platforms that deliver the most impact for your specific workflows. Okay, let's bring it all together. First, if you like what you saw here, please hit the subscribe button below. Your AI journey starts with the right choice for AI tools. The AI revolution is here. Ambitious professionals are already leveraging AI tools, with productivity gains becoming the new standard. The question is not whether to adopt AI, it's how to use it strategically. I explored the different AI platforms: Claude, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, Perplexity, and Microsoft Copilot. They each offer unique strengths that can transform different aspects of your professional life. Remember, your competitive advantage lies in how you effectively use each AI tool for the different use cases at work. That's how you use AI to excel at work. Thank you for watching. Until next time.